Hello guys, welcome back to Morian Dude. Today, yesterday my computer arrived and it is called the HP Pavillion 15. I have ordered this computer on the 27th of November and I've gotten it on December 22nd. So this is, as I said, this is the HP Pavillion 15, and also I have kept it outside for a good 12 hours. And yeah, so this series of the computer is a TCS 300, and some of the configurations are it has a Core Intel i7, a 512 GB SSD, and 16 GB RAM, and it's a touchscreen laptop. It also has a NVIDIA GeForce MX 250. I think it was 2 GB memory of GeForce. And as I said, it's a touchscreen, and also the color of the laptop is fog blue. So now let us get into the opening of the computer. I don't know how to open a box. It's official. We're now taking out the computer. There we go. That's the computer. This is packaged with the good styrofoam. This will also ensure that a computer is nice and safe. This laptop also comes with the charger. And that's the laptop. And there we go. This is the laptop. And there's a sound feature over here. The Pavilion.